help out, just go to khu.com. We have more information there.
Yeah, and it was a beautiful day to go out and do something like that yesterday, Cheetah. Hopefully today's about the same.
You know what it is? Today will almost be the exact same as yesterday. We're almost pushing repeat. In fact, live look outside on the island, guys, in Galveston. Did you see any of the images from this past Saturday and Sunday? It was packed. We had already a lot of beach goers. I think you're ready to get out there. Seawall Boulevard, just cars were packed out here. But you know, it is going to be a really nice day, even on the island. It will be breezy. So if you're waking up in Galveston, if your plan today is to head out to Galveston, it is going to be really gusty at times. I'm talking gusts of wind today, upwards of 25 to even 30 miles per hour. And that's the case even inland as well. Now this morning we're mostly calm. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s, 67 in Sugar Land, 60 in Conroe, 56 in Cleveland. This morning it's fairly mild, especially when you factor in our southeast winds. That's going to drive the humidity a little bit higher this afternoon. You'll notice that in the form of clouds. So no rain today, but because of our southeasterly winds, we are going to keep some clouds in throughout the day. So it's a mild start, nice conditions by noon. We should be pushing 80 by lunchtime today, and then high temperatures build to the mid to low 80s. This evening, temperatures not quite as cool as what we experienced last night. So let's talk about our next rain chances. We keep it mostly dry today and tomorrow. So notice the severe weather threat on a scale of 1 to 5 will be more towards West Texas, North Texas, and into Oklahoma. Now, as I take you into Wednesday, watch this low. It's going to continue to travel west to east, and that's what's going to introduce a slight rain chance Wednesday. I think a better chance for more widespread scattered thunderstorms on Thursday. This system's moving out of the Pacific. It does have some moisture to it, so that's what's going to give us a better chance on Thursday for more widespread scattered storms. But otherwise, we have a very spring-like week ahead. We still need the rainfall, so it's nice to see that we have rain chances here, at least on our 7-day forecast. And notice we get a little dip in those temperatures after that system passes, at least to the upper 70s. But otherwise, Lauren, this is exactly how we should look for a spring-like week for the end of April into the beginning of May. I'll send it back to you.
Looks good to me, Cheetah. Thank you so much. Unfortunately, we do have a problem that's popped up on your roadway, so let's take you there right now. This is Sam Houston going westbound near Pearland Parkway. You can see it's a heavy truck, a single vehicle accident. So the heavy truck, it looks like it slammed into the barrier there and is blocking a left shoulder, a left lane, and a center lane. So that could cause some big problems if they don't clean it up quickly, but hopefully they will. You can